Hi guys and welcome to Tech Tips. We are covering another announcement from Computex 2018. If you've not subscribed to the channel, please type Tech Tips in the search box, hit enter, click on the subscribe button and the bell icon. I've uploaded some videos from the Computex 2018 event. You can definitely check them out on the channel. Now, today's announcement and article is again from Anand Tech. This is not a CPU, it's not a motherboard, it is another hardware that we have. It's the Cooler Master CK620 wireless mechanical keyboard. Now, this is something that I was expecting in this Computex 2018's event. Why? Because we have used a lot of mechanical keyboards, and then that snapping sound is amazing, but we did not see any wireless mechanical keyboard with that sound and such keys. Now, I've not checked a lot of articles about the Cooler Master CK620, but some of the articles have mentioned that the snapping sound that we have in the mechanical keyboards is a part of the wireless mechanical keyboard from Cooler Master. Now, this keyboard looks pretty cool. It has got RGB lighting. There is good space between the keys. The keys are of a good shape and size. We are definitely compromising on the numeric keypad at the right side of the keyboard, and it is not a full-size keyboard. Now, I do not know what exactly they call this, but it is looking cool, and if it is a mechanical keyboard, it would be good experience to use this. They say you can't take it with you, and when it comes to mechanical keyboards, they're usually right. Absolutely, I've used some mechanical keyboards and you can definitely not take them with you. Now, the snapping sound, the mechanical keyboard completely depends on the keys that it has. There are Cherry MX switches, red switches, there are different models. I do not know which one it uses, but the Cooler Master CK620 is one of the thinnest mechanical keyboard, which is pretty cool. And it has got the Cherry's new low profile red switches. So the mechanical keyboard CK620 is using the low profile red switches from Cherry. Have long been praised among gamers for the real quick response time. Absolutely, and there are a lot of gamers. I've not used red switches in particular, but I've used some Cherry switches, and the red, I've read a lot of things about the red switches from Cherry, and a lot of gamers have mentioned that it has got quick response time, and this is something that we need in the games. This keyboard is not particularly for gaming, but it is looking pretty cool, and I can see a wire coming out of the keyboard. Is that a mechanical wireless keyboard? Let's check this out. These low profile switches are 35% thinner than the regular counterparts and still have great mechanical feel that powers a crave. Okay, so these are 35% thinner, then we are definitely compromising on the space and the snapping sound, I think. Cooler Master CK60 is 60% the size of a full keyboard and much more compact than a typical 10 keyless keyboard. Okay, cool and portable. Having chance to spend a few minutes with CK60, we were left feeling impressed with just how great it looks and feels. It definitely looks amazing. I do not know how it feels, but it says that travel and were more than large enough for adult fingers. So the keys are large enough for adult fingers, and the snappiness you expect from a mechanical keyboard too. So it has got the snappiness, and I was wrong. Cooler must have found room for the RGB LED under key. We saw the LEDs under the keys and it's looking cool. We do not know if it is configurable, if you can set up different LED modes, if you have different modes, different colors, but the LEDs are looking pretty cool. Columbus has stated that when it launches at the end of the year or early next year, the CK620 will be available in both a wired only configuration and a model that can connect via USB and its USB type C. Okay, that is why probably we have this cable here. So they would launch this wireless mechanical keyboard by the end of this year or early next year, and it will be both. Okay, so it would be wired and wireless. Wireless would be Bluetooth compatible, and the wired would be type C. And it says that expect a modest 5 hours of battery life with the RGB lights on, but a good deal more than lights off. It is true, if we are switching off the lights, switching off the LEDs, it is definitely going to use a less power compared to a keyboard using the LED lights. So this keyboard looks pretty cool. It is compatible, portable, and the look and feel as per the articles is amazing. Let's wait for it to launch, and thank you so much for joining. Please hit the like button if you like the video, share the video if you feel like, and subscribe to the channel to check similar videos in the future. Bye bye.